10 Ways to Make Money Online in 2021. Maybe you want to create a separate stream of income to pay a few bills? Or, you're simply looking for a way to replace your current job. Whatever your reason, there are a ton of different ways how to make money online. However, be careful, some of those methods can be malicious, as there are many scams or other illegal activities out there. The past year encouraged all of us to embrace the great indoors. No surprise, then, that the interest in making money online from the safety of our homes is now on the rise. So in today's video we'll tell you about top 10 ways to earn money online in 2021. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listing with the details of your skill set, so that interested clients can contact you directly. Outfiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and WorkedHire.com are some websites that provide freelance jobs. You can earn anywhere between $5 and $100 through these websites. But remember, you will only get paid once you successfully complete the given task and it has been approved by your client. This may even mean revising the work several times unless the requirements of your clients are met. 2. Start an affiliate website. Affiliate marketing is actually the #1 way most people make money online. It may be the easiest way if you know what you are doing and if you have the right traffic source for what you are selling. An affiliate marketing site is built upon recommending or reviewing certain products. Then, when a reader buys that product through your link, you'll receive a commission. Although it might not seem like a big revenue generator, there are multi-million-dollar sites based on affiliate revenue alone. Once your website is up and running, you could opt for affiliate marketing by allowing companies to insert web links onto your site. After signing up for the Hostinger affiliate program, you'll get access to the affiliate marketing dashboard where you can track all of your campaigns. Then, use the provided marketing materials like banners, ebooks, and infographics to increase sales. This is like a symbiotic partnership. When visitors to your site buy products or services by clicking on such links, you earn out from it. 3. Starting a blog. Blogging is one of the best ways for passive income. Because you can do affiliate marketing in your blogs and also still make money from Google AdSense by running ads in your blog. But before creating a blog, you need a website. You can simply create and host your own website at $2.95 monthly with Bluehost. Once you have your own blog, you'll need to know how to rank your articles on Google for free organic traffic. You can research the right keywords using SEO tools. 4. Offer on demand, one-on-one courses. Online courses are all the rage, but what about an organized website where merchants, or teachers, sell their services to explain tasks? This could be as in-depth as a developer teaching 1 or 2, or dozens of students about a coding language, or something as quick and simple as repairing a leaky faucet. YouTube and online courses already exist, but we're picturing a marketplace where users schedule or lock in instant video training. The instructor would receive a notification at any time and log in to start solving the problem or sharing their knowledge. 5. Becoming an Instagram influencer. Who wouldn't want to be Instagram famous? Instagram influencers, bloggers, and models get paid to promote products and endorse brands, often while receiving compensation or free gifts in exchange. Becoming Instagram famous takes time and focused effort on your account. Many Instagram users are wishing and working for Insta fame, but not everyone is successful. To become an Instagram influencer, you need lots of followers, a great engagement rate, and an overall superior Instagram. Try out our tips to build up your Instagram to reach social media influencer status. 6. Creating a YouTube channel. When it comes to starting a YouTube channel, many people think that you have to have a big personality and be on camera for every second. But this is not true. In fact, there are quite a few successful YouTube channels out there that are run by introverts. I'll show you some of the easiest ones you can do without being on camera at all, and if you want to make money with YouTube, you can start with different channel niches like gaming clip channels, motivation channels, product reviews channel, tutorial channels, and much more. Create your YouTube channel, upload videos, and start monetizing them. As you make your channel popular and the number of subscribers grows, so will your earning potential. The payment one gets is based on every 1,000 views. 7. Selling images. If you're a talented photographer with impeccable photo and video editing skills, you should know that various online platforms offer you a great opportunity to earn passive income from your work. A nice place for you to be is Shutterstock. It is one of the biggest marketplaces where you can sell your photos and videos for a good sum of money if you know what you're doing. It's essentially a bridge where people looking for high-quality videos and photos on practically anything meet with skilled photographers looking to sell their works of art. Shutterstock is a global marketplace where people trade high-quality videos and photos. Like the websites, there are also some apps for selling your photos like Foap. To get started selling photos on Foap, you'll need to download the app, sign up an account for free, upload your photos, and make them available for sale as stock photos. 8. Content writing. Online platforms can be a good starting point. Depending on the quality of the articles, one gets paid. One may be asked to work upon articles with specific guidelines as well. Develop a niche in your area of expertise and build strength in that domain to increase the revenue stream. 9. Web designing. Not all business owners are tech savvy, but the need of the hour is to have a website of their own. Those who have a knack for all things tech, especially related to websites, can help small businesses set up their own websites and earn from it. Coding and web designing are the essential ingredients in setting up websites. Further, websites need maintenance and may require frequent updates, which may add to one's revenue. 10. Do translation work. If you need to make money now, translation work is a fairly underserved niche. You'll need to be fluent in at least 2 languages to do this successfully. So if you're bilingual or majored in a popular language in school, this may be a great money-making idea for you to try out. You will need to show proof of your ability to translate. If you have a language degree or experience translating text, make sure to show samples of your portfolio. Most companies will require a translation test. Keep in mind that you need to be fluent in the languages you're applying to be a translator for. So you can't use translation tools. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked, then give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.